Hanoi's Old Quarter is one of the most famous places in Vietnam, but from what I've seen so far, it's also one of the most chaotic. We're going to cover many things like temples, food markets, and this beautiful cathedral. But unfortunately, I arrive when it's closed, like I always do. Also, as well, you can't actually film in there, which is a bit annoying, again. Seems to run into that quite a few times, but I'm sure it's beautiful inside, but unfortunately we're stuck with the outside. Anyway, let's leave the cathedral, and we'll hit the streets, and we'll see what we can find. And here comes the rain. As always, at the moment, it just rains every day. I was supposed to do the next video before this video, but because the rain was so severe, I didn't bother. And a lot of the things that we were going to, which you'll see in the next video, basically didn't happen because of the rain. Just taking a break for a moment under a canopy whilst the rain does its thing. But we've landed on Silk Street, and as you can see, there's lots of silk shops like dotted around and stuff. And yeah, so this was named Silk Street many years ago, apparently, because there's lots of silk products. Now you see all this kind of stuff here. I came past here last night to see what was going on, because there's a night market here, which was supposed to be the video, but the rain was so bad, it was so heavy, it was just ridiculous. Anyway, fingers crossed tonight the rain doesn't rain, and then we'll come back and we'll check this out. But there was like a big, like full-on production thing going on. Might be able to get a bit of a better look temporarily. Yeah, so like there's a big stage look and everything like that, and I don't know if you can actually get in, or I don't know how it works, but we'll find a view somewhere. And then there's the night market like the other side of it. But away from all of that, opposite we've got a lake, and we're gonna go check that temple out over there. But this water looks a bit, oh my god, there's dead fish. Thank you. And there we have it, 50,000 VND to get in, which is £1 something. And here we are. Entrance. Might as well go the correct way this time. I've got a habit of going the wrong way. Anyway, I'll go around. Whoa. Shit. It's fucking real slippery down there. No, it ended up on my arse. Anyway, this is the temple that I've just forgotten the name of. Yeah, so out onto the lake then. It's quite a big lake, to be fair. I'm still a bit suspect about the green water though. It does look a bit, I don't know, we've already seen a dead fish. There's probably more. And yet again, you can't film inside, so I will respect the Vietnamese rules, and I did not film inside, but I can assure you it's very pretty inside. Guess what? Then it rained again, so I decided to find an activity that I could do inside, and this is the only real thing that I could find. A museum, but not your normal museum. This is iMuseum. Don't really know what it is, but we'll find out. Hello. Hello.
Ticket, please.
Yeah, there you go.
Thank you. In our museum, we have 6 rooms in total, and each room you should spend about 7 to 10 minutes, so that you can see the content in there.
Okay, cool. Thank you very much. Thank you. Wow. Okay, so this is called iMuseum, and there's lots of different, you can't see it, brilliant, but basically this is gonna have to be a phone job, I think, isn't it? Wow, that's actually real. Yeah, that's real. There's me everywhere. Whoa. It's really hard to tell which is a mirror and which isn't. I nearly walked into a mirror then, I think. I don't know, I might be wrong. Hello. Right, let me just sort something out. Okay, so as we discovered, my iPhone has a better camera than this camera, so I'm going to overlay the iPhone footage so you can see what's going on, but yeah, it's okay. The only problem with this, though, I find at the moment is every single screen is the same thing. You know what I mean? Like, this could be different from this one, but it's not. So, I don't know. Anyway. Let's go to the next one. Oh wow, we've got chairs. And it's all just gone off. There we go, now it's back on. So I don't know what the eye means, like... Oh, it's a projector. It's not the actual... Like, they're not screens, it's projectors. Still nice though, I guess. I don't know, I'm not really feeling this at the moment. Anyway, let's sit down. Let's sit down on one of these. Oh, and watch the show. I've seen a video of one of these kind of things in Bangkok, and I really wish I went to that one because that looked epic. Just not really quite sure what to think of this. I'm not gonna lie, I'm finding this really boring. I don't know what anyone else thinks. Hopefully the third room will be better. Oh, this is more like it. We've got stuff on the floor. I thought when it said like iMovie, or iMuseum, sorry, it would be some kind of like interaction thing. But it doesn't really feel like there is any interaction. I'm not quite sure. Because when I walk on it, nothing happens. I don't really know what to think. Like I say, I mean, that's cool if you see that in real life. Is that finished? No, it's just going to start again. Oh, penguins. Oh, this is nice. We've got penguins and polar bears. There's not much happening. They don't really do much, do they? I don't know. Right, let's go find the next one. Oh, there's people. Hello. Oh wow, this is completely different. Don't bang your head. No. I'm expecting things to happen, that's all. Just because I've seen that other one from Bangkok. So this is Sky of Vietnam. Milky Way. Okay, that's an interesting way to describe it. Okay, let's move. Oh wow. Artists. I'm not very good at drawing, so I'm not going to try. You can write post-it notes. Oh, that's the end. That is the end. Well, that was very short and sweet. Yeah, I'm not quite sure what to think of that. Honestly, that was 250,000, which is £7. And that is 100% for me not worth it. Nothing happens, it's just loads of lights. And, you know, like I was saying before, that one in Bangkok looks amazing. I don't know what the difference in price is for that, but yeah, sorry guys, that's not worth it for me. But it is in this beautiful like shopping centre. It's right on the top no, not the top floor, the one before the top floor. But there's all like jewellery, there's all Rockport, whatever that is. I don't even know what that is. But I've seen like Armani, there's Nike. You've got all your top brands, and I assume they're all real, because this shopping mall does look a bit grand. But I was kind of hoping to find a restaurant, but it is all just like jewellery, clothes, all that kind of stuff. Sorry guys, there is no night market video. I feel so crap. I've got some kind of flu virus going on. But we are going to the island. That definitely will be happening. For me tomorrow, for you, that will be the next video. So apologies for that. Hopefully I'm not dying tomorrow.